morning, dear students. Today we will revise the summary and important points of from the diary of Anne Frank. This is a story of young girl, her named Annie Frank. This story is based on her diary. Annie Frank is a Jewish girl who has to go into hiding during World War II to avoid the Nazis. She shared her experience in the story when she is depressed together with even others. She hides in the secret annex on the Pinstraat 263 in Amsterdam. She does not have any close friend. After almost 2 years in hiding, they are discovered and deported to concentration camps. And Annie's father, Otto Frank, is the only one of the 8 people to survive. She describes her all the important experience in her childhood in her diary. After her death, Annie becomes world famous because of the diary she wrote while in hiding. In this article, you will be reading from the diary of Annie Frank summary, which is based on the background of World War II. This is an autobiography of a young girl, Annie Frank, who expresses her thought in a diary. Her father has gifted the diary on her 13th birthday, which she calls with the name of Kitty. Annie Frank is a Jewish girl who is hiding during World War II. In order to avoid the Nazis, she shares her experience and the story during her time of depression. Also, she hides in the secret annex on the Pinstraat 263 in Amsterdam with 7 other people. She lives there for 2 years and describes all her experiences in the diary. Thus, she puts her diary into studying and writing, gaining knowledge of politics and literature. After her death, she becomes world famous because of the diary. Annie did not expect that everybody would have interest in her diary. The author feels that it is strange and unusual for her to write a diary because it is the first time she is doing it. She feels that in the future no one will read about a young girl's past experiences. But then she puts these thoughts away and decides to write her thoughts. The author is feeling very lonely as she has no friends to talk to. She wants to give her need of friend a shape, hence decides to name the diary as Kitty. The writer feels that the paper has more capability to absorb thoughts rather than people who have low patience level. She has a good time with friends but cannot share everything with them as they are not true friends. She refers to her father as the most lovable, who presents her the diary on her 13th birthday. On June 20, 1942, she mentioned how her class is nervous about their result. The author says that the only subject she is unsure about is mathematics. She and her friend G are trying to stop the students from making noise, but to no avail. According to the author, about the quarter of the class should not pass, as they do not participate in any activities. Annie recalls how the maths professor is constantly irritated by her talkativeness. While talking in his classes, he gives her extra homework as punishment. The first punishment is to write an essay on Chatterbox, which the author thinks as weird. She imagines about the topic and decides to present concrete argument in support of talking. She writes that she will try to better herself but cannot eliminate talking completely. The professor finds it amusing but allots another topic after she did not change her nature. The topic is an incorrigible chatterbox, which refers to a habit that is difficult to change. After keeping an eye on her, the professor gives her another topic. Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. As a punishment, she runs out of thoughts after writing 2 times on a similar topic. She decides to write her third topic in the form of a poem and writes a satire. Satire means a comment. Indirectly in this poem, she was commenting on the maths teacher. She presented a satire that talking was not so unusual, and those who are highlighting they are unusual, and that satire did its proper work. The teacher took it. Luckily